Hi everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to do a pull through braid. Want to flip over all your hair to one side of your head, the side that you want your braid to be on, and you're going to make a small ponytail. You're going to check you like where it sits, you're going to move it out the way, and then you're going to make another small ponytail. Take the first ponytail you made, we're going to split this in half and wrap it underneath the second ponytail, and then move the second ponytail out of the way. You're then going to add in some new hair to each half of the ponytail that you've just split. And then tie that all together with a small hair elastic. Release the top section. Split it in half underneath the ponytail. Move the ponytail out of the way. Add in the extra hair. And tie it all together. And just repeat those same steps. You can then pull the braid apart if you want to. And that's the final look, a braid without doing any braiding. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out my other videos, like and subscribe.